I know a lot of you have been panicking since Pi started having a deep dive yesterday, but I'm here to tell you that you should not be afraid. And I'm going to explain the reason why the market has been going down like this. But before we do, let's look at the metric and then also analyze the price movement yesterday and then come to a conclusion. Looking at this right now, you see that Pi is currently sitting at 20 cents. Yesterday, it almost touched 30 cents. I think it even slightly touched 30 cents before it started having a nosedive down. Now, with the 24-hour chart, you are going to see that Pi Network has been down since the past 24 hours. It has been down 24%. Over a week, it has been down 20%. Now, a lot of people have been saying that it started going down as soon as Kraken listed the token. But I'm here to tell you that that is a lie. We are going to look at the timestamps now. Now, as of 4 p.m., Nigerian time yesterday was when Kraken listed Pi Network. You can go and verify. A lot of people have been pushing this narrative that it's because the Americans do not believe in Pi Network. And then the moment they got access to the exchange, all of them started selling and then it had the nosedive. That's a lie. Now, watch this. This pump actually started 2 days ago. Now, you can see around 6:45 a.m. That was when it started. It was moving. Around this time frame was when Kraken listed Pi Network. So you can see that the token started going down before it was listed on Kraken. Around 9 a.m. yesterday was when the dip started happening. You can see. So how on earth does that story check out? Now, let me now tell you what exactly is going on so you can have peace of mind. This pump was abnormal. This pump was what we call an overbuy. And it is also inevitable for there to be a correction. This is simply a correction and nothing more. This is not anybody dumping on us. This is just the market correction. You can see people were buying into it and then it corrected down to this point. And now you can see that it has retained the same level it has been maintaining for a while now. So this has nothing to do with anybody dumping on us. So debunk that message. Although some people might have taken advantage to sell. I'm not disputing that fact that some people actually took advantage to sell, but they did not sell because they're trying to dump on the project. This project is not, trust me, you might not understand the value of this project yet, but time will tell. You can see when Kraken also posted that Pi is now live. Pi Cotton is a layer 1, blah, 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 trade now at Kraken. So this is when it was announced that that Pi Network has been listed. Now, from everything that we've been saying, the people that actually entered into the markets and jumped out were the short-term traders. They were only trying to make money. So that is the reason for the pump and the correction. So we have a lot of traders. So when the traders decide to buy into it, definitely there's going to be a pump. And we have millions of traders all over the world, right? They already seen the news and they were working with the news. That's just what it is. They're working with the news. They bought into the project. And then the moment they saw that they've gotten to the point where it's good for them, they started selling. That is the reason for the sudden pump and the sudden dump. So there's no two ways about it. You should just relax. This is just them taking advantage of the market, but doesn't change the value that Pi has and the plans they have and the potential of this token and the quality of the token. That is what you should focus on. As a true pioneer that you are, you should forget about the whole price right now and look at the bigger picture. That is what matters. The bigger picture matters. In this case, that is exactly what I need to let you understand about this whole thing. So you should forget about the whole hype and the sudden price movement. Now let's talk about the validator reward. People have been waiting for a long time to receive their validator reward, and then it's finally here. But I realized that some people were not really happy. Pi was paying the validators around 0.05 Pi per person they validated. The reason why I think Pi is doing this is just to cut down the amount of supply that is out there. Do you know how many validators we have in the world? And if they begin to roll out 3 Pi per validation or even 1 Pi per validation, how many Pi coins do you think is going to be in circulation? That is going to actually affect the supply of Pi. Currently, I'm going to see that the supply of Pi Network is still sitting around 9.66 billion, which is still fair. The Pi core team is trying as much as possible to regulate the supply. So you should not be upset that you only receive 0.05 Pi per validation. You should actually be excited that they did not roll out a lot of Pi to the validators, because it's going to affect everything they're building. So that's just basically what it is. It is just simple mathematics. There's nothing out of the ordinary that happened. The most important thing is that they fulfill their promise by paying the validators. So in summary, what happened is simply a correction, and then for the validator reward, you guys should just go easy on the PyCore team. So guys, that's basically what it is. There's no need for you to worry. Everything is under control as it appears right now. So that is basically what I came to talk to you guys about today in this video. If you like this content you just got, kindly help me smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like the one you just got. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.